ሳልቀጠር በር ላይ ነበር ቁጭ ብዬ የማሳልፈው።
የኛ የራሳችን ንብረት
ለሰፈሩ አለኝታ የሆነ ድርጅት ነው።
በማህበራዊ ልማት በኩል አንቱ የሚባል ስራ ሰርቷል።
ከህብረተሰቡ ጋር ጠበቀ ግንኙነት ነው ያለው።
Our products are 100% qualified።
በአገር ውስጥ ብር የአካባቢው ባለሀብቶች ምርቶችን በመውሰድ ፋብሪካዎቻቸውን መገንባት የሚችሉበትን እድል የፈጠረበት ሁኔታ ነው ያለው።
ውጭ ዜጎች ጋር ስለሙል ቀረብ ያልኩኝ ያያየው ልምድ ይወሰድኩ ነው ያሉት።
Tiret Corporate is one of the largest conglomerate companies in the country. It's also one of the largest business entity in East Africa.
Tiret Corporate is a sustained endowment which has been striving so as to realize the investment intent of the Amara region and playing its pivotal role in the endeavor being undertaken to trim down poverty throughout the region and the country via screening out areas which have not been touched by the government and investors.
Tiret Corporate is established in 1995, European calendar. It's one of the largest conglomerate companies in the country. It's also one of the largest business entity in East Africa.
So far, the corporate has been running more than 16 companies which have been engaged in agro-processing, manufacturing, trade service, construction, electronics and related industries. 11 projects of the corporate also on the way to be betrothed in pharmaceuticals, pulp, mining, packaging and related sectors.
We have multifaceted activities. We have 20 companies currently actively working in economic development to support the regional economy of Amhara as well as the Ethiopian economy. We engaged mainly in industrial sectors, mainly in food and beverage industry, in textile, in electronics, and also we have trade, transport and logistics activities currently going on. So in total we have 20 companies. 16 of them are purely owned by Tiret itself. And the other 4 companies are shareholding companies where we are partnering with foreign investors.
In our factory, we assemble Samsung brand refrigerators. Our products are 100% qualified and they assembled as per the standard of Samsung. Our current obstacle is Forex, foreign exchange. If anyone who is willing to support us and work with us, please welcome.
የደብረ ብርሃን ፕሪ ኢንጂነር ሶሉሽን ሼር ካምፓኒ ባለሀብቶች ኢንቨስተሮች
Deborah Brand Pre-Engineer Solution Share Company has created convenient conditions for investors via producing factory building inputs. Investors will never bother about foreign currency since they can purchase in the company here. The corporate has been undertaking social developmental activities by the proceeds gained from investment activities and benefiting the regional people.
In the area of social development, we mainly focus on education, health and job creation. We are investing like 20% of our annual profit in these areas.
በከልቻ ለጥረት ትልቅ ሀብት ነው።
በከልቻ ትራንስፖርት PLC is one among the paramount assets of Tiret Corporate. It has 3 core processes. The first one is transport. It has been doing fruitful activities from Djibouti to Ethiopia. It also provides social developmental activity.
ከጅቡቲ ወደ ሀገር ውስጥ በርካታ ስራዎች ይሰራል።
የበከልቻ ትራንስፖርት አክሲዮን ማህበር በዚህ አካባቢ መኖሩ ለአካባቢው ህብረተሰብ ትልቅ ጠቀሜታ አለው።
Bakalcha Transport PLC has been providing several developmental activities to the society here around. It supports the surrounding people via addressing potable water during scarcity, and it provides solutions for problems related to electric power.
ችግር በሚፈጠርበት ጊዜ ለአካባቢው ህብረተሰብ ውሃ እንድንቀዳ ግልጋሎት ይሰጣል።
ከማህበራዊ ልማት አኳያ እንግዲህ ፋብሪካችን እየሰራ ነው ያለው።
Our company has been doing social developmental activities. Despite we have started our activity very soon, we have constructed movable house to develop one hospital so as to prevent the rapid transmission of COVID-19 pandemic. The home expected to be 200,000 Ethiopian ብር
ተገጣጣሚ ቤት ሰርተን ያስረከብንበት ሁኔታ ነው ያለው። እነሱም በአሁን ሰዓት ያንን እየተገለገሉበት ያሉበት ሁኔታ ነው ያለው። በገንዘብ ሲተመን ከ200 ሺህ ብር ያላነሰ ነው።
The corporate has been contributing its own role in the effort being undertaken to reduce the rate of unemployment throughout the region and the country via creating job opportunity for several citizens.
ከመቶ ምናምን በላይ የምንሆን ልጆች
Over 100 users of the surrounding have become beneficiaries of the job opportunity created by Bekalcha Transport Private Limited Company. We have been supporting our family in addition to making ourselves economically independent.
ለሰፈሩ አለኝታ የሆነ ድርጅት ነው።
ሁላችንም እዚህ ጋር የምታየን የአቅመ ደካማ የድሃ ቤተሰብ ልጆች ነን።
We all are coming from economically weak parts of the society, but thanks for Bekalcha Transport, which has been helping us in different ways.
ከኛ ተርፈን ቤተሰቦቻችንን መርዳት ጀምረናል።
ክፍለ ከተማው ቀበሌው ያደራጅቶ ያመጣቸውን
We have created job opportunity for numbers of the surrounding users in the activities of transportation.
ተጠቃሚ ያረግንበት ሁኔታ አለ።
የአሽከርካሪ ማሰልጠኛ ተቋም ስላለው አሽከርካሪዎችን ያሰለጥናል።
It has drivers training center and provides training activity to the surrounding users and finally employs the competent ones here in the company.
የተሻሉትን ደግሞ በመምረጥ ተደራቢ በማድረግ መልሶ ዋና ሹፌር እንዲሆኑ ያደርጋል።
ከ70 ሰራተኞች ያላነሰ
The company has created job opportunity for about 36 citizens so far and will create job opportunity for numbers of people in the future.
በውስጡ ይዞ ስራዎችን ለመስራት ዝግጁ የሆነ ፋብሪካ ነው።
በስራ አጥ ነው መጥቼ ነበረው እና የተለያዩ ጥቅማ ጥቅሞችን እዚህ የመጣው
I was jobless before. Now I am leading my life independently because of Debra Brand Free Engineer Solution Company has created job opportunity and now I am working with foreigners. So I have got best experience and knowledge over than the income that I got.
ስለዚህ ይሄ እንኳን ካምፓኒው እንኳን እዚህ ካምፓኒ ላይ ቆያለሁ ባልልም ውጪ ላይ ወጣ ብዬ ራሴን እድል የማመቻቸትና የራሴን ስራ መስራት አቅም አገኛለሁ ብዬ ነው ማስበው።
Considering our 25 years of service in Ethiopia, Tiret is a very strong partner for development and industrialization in our country. Therefore, I would like to invite international partners to come and join Tiret in different industrial ventures. Currently, we have bankable documents to develop pharmaceutical and also pulp and paper industries in Ethiopia, so that we are very much happy if anyone who is interested to invest in this area to come in and also work with us. We have developed expertise, we have developed experience to manage the multifaceted kind of industries, so that anyone who can join us would be very happy in our partnership. So please come and invest in Ethiopia, come and join us to develop Ethiopia and the rest of the world.